It's a game called Put a Finger Down. All right. So put a finger down if you've ever gotten stuck in any of these horrifying situations.
Okay,
Since it's a horror comedy, I thought it'll just
go
go
for it.
well with it.
Sona, I
Okay.
can't see your hand.
Saket, we can only see your hand.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. So the first one is you were in the washroom, you forgot to lock the door, and somebody knocked it open while you were still doing your business.
Yeah.
No. Happened to me also, by the way. Okay, the next one.
Happens to
Your
everyone
best-
at some point.
Your best friend turned director and has asked you to do the part, but you don't like the script.
Mm-mm.
Oh, best friends are good or you're good?
We both are
No,
good.
as in like
Best
none
friend
of
is
my
not
best
a
friends became director.
Oh, okay. The next one.
Waiting for Sona to
Cheat-
turn director and for me to say no to her.
You dare.
See, then you can't put that finger down. Sorry.
Yeah.
Next one. Cheated on your diet.
Oh.
All the time. That's the pain of my life.
Okay, the next one. Since you guys have one common link, and that's Huma, your best friend.
Horrible.
And your
And how unfortunate, na?
Okay, so the next one is you've lied to Huma when she asked you, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ?
All the time.
All the time. बहुत
And the
अच्छी लग रही है
last
हुमा, बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, ऐसे ही घर से निकल जा.
Last one. Who's scared of ghosts?
I am.
Like I've never had an experience. With
Yeah,
a
even
ghost,
I've
so
never had an
I
experience,
don't
but I
know
feel
if
I
I'm-
will be scared if I see one.
But I
Thank God
will
for
be
that.
scared. I will be scared.
Yeah.
I feel if something happens, like अगर जैसे अभी कुर्सी हिल जाए एकदम से तो मैं डर जाऊँ.
Thank you so much, Sakib. Thank you so much, Sona, for joining us tonight. It's a pleasure to have you on our channel as well.
Our
And
pleasure.
we wish
Thank
you all the very
you.
best for your movie. Movie कैसी है और इस movie में काम करके कैसा लगा? These are all cliched questions. I just want to get directly to this question कि क्या आपकी movie का जो भूत है वो बंगाली है? Because आप लोग उसे respectfully काकू दा कहते हैं.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
यार
smart
तुम्हारा
one.
तुम अलग-अलग चीजें कर रही हो श्रुति. Interesting हो तुम. Very nice.
I love
Thank
it.
you.
I love it. It's refreshing. But
Answer
नहीं,
Tamil.
काकुदा का
शायद हो
मतलब
सकता
होता
है,
है.
क्या पता, आपको डायरेक्टर से पूछना चाहिए या राइटर से पूछना चाहिए.
See,
I also have an
we
answer. Movie देखो पता चलेगा.
Correct.
Who is more scared of ghosts? Are you the one who will go and watch a movie or not?
No, I
take
love
part?
watching horror films for sure. I
I
love
don't.
watching horror films.
I don't. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती. I'm constantly thinking about it, and
अरे वो तो
it's
आपकी
not
नींद
a
किसी ने चुराई भी होगी ना, सोनाक्षी. उसकी
enjoyable
वजह से नहीं आ रही होगी
experience.
ना.
हाँ, और वो तो when we watch together वो तो और डराता है मुझे, तो I get even more scared.
I think, Sona, we've only seen these videos of yours on social media.
Yeah.
These are the only ones that are going viral. He's coming out of nowhere. He's like,
Yeah, all the time. So that's why I don't watch horror films also, because every time we're watching together, at the worst moment, when there's that silence, he'll just come and be like, "Ah," and I get so shaken up. It's horrifying. So I think in that case, I would be the bigger fattu. Yeah,
you can say then silence से डर नहीं लगता, बहुत से लगता है.
बहुत से लगता है. हाँ, बस बहुत से ही लगता है.
All right, moving on to the next question, which is for Sakib. Sakib, you are a Delhi boy. मतलब आपका role generally हमेशा वो cute Delhi boy type का होता है. So this time you're going into this desi rural avatar. Did you do any special preparations for this, or was it like coming to you
Oh
naturally?
yes, of course. Besides the workshops and readings that we did, there was lots of dialect training for the film because we wanted to create a dialect which is understood by everybody, but yet is slightly different from the rest of the world. I think उस पे काम करने में मजा आया. But having said that, वो written material इतना अच्छा था कि अगर मैं 10 बार स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के भी चला जाता सेट पे, तब भी वो मटेरियल मुझे मेरी नैया पार लगा देता. सो आई रियली बिलीव कि जो लिखा गया था वही काफी फनी था. वी डिडंट हैव टू overdo or over try and overkill and do over comedy or anything of that sort. I felt like the material just gave us a good playground to be on.
Great. Sonakshi, you have done a lot of different roles like Lutera, Hira Mandi very recently. You've done action in Akira. Double XL was a very different movie altogether. So when you're taking up a part which is so different, do you have any preparation regime that you follow? How do you go about this? From one role to another.
I think depends on the role also. Like if I need some sort of training or if I need some like coaching for the dialect, if I need like for the hard, I learned how to ride a bike, and a little bit of martial arts. For Kira, I did martial arts. For Hira Mandi, I had to, learn Urdu, how to speak Urdu well. For this, we had an accent, although it's predominantly Hindi. We speak it with an accent. So we did have workshops for that, and I enjoy that as an actor when you get to learn something new. For a role in particular, it's very very fun for me. So, and I approach it like that. I think I don't really get into like too much of it. I can switch off, switch on very easily, and I think that's what I live for. I love being something so drastically different from what I was yesterday, in what I'm doing today. So I enjoy that process. I enjoy it.
Now, the next question is again for the both of you. See, when we watch a movie and we get to interact with the stars, the actors beforehand, तो ना हम एक personal connect लेके movie देखते हैं. So it'll be great for us to know that because it's a horror comedy, any part, any situation where you felt extremely scared, or you felt कि मतलब it was laugh riot for you when you watched it or when you were shooting. तो एक वो insight जब हम उसके साथ जाते हैं as an audience, so it helps us have a better connect. So any situation, both of these, either
I
डरावनी
think
or
there's a
funny,
sequence
you
in
can
the
tell us.
film where we go to the खेत to find the ghost. अब वो जो खेत की घास थी वो मेरे थाई तक थी, एंड आई वाज टोल्ड कि अच्छा अब काकूदा तुम्हारे पीछे होगा तो तुम्हें इस खेतों से भाग के जाना है. So I'm like, okay. And then right before action, my action director said कि अच्छा हाँ साकिब देख के ध्यान से आ, सांप है यहाँ पर काफी. And I'm like, sir, सांप से डर लगता है, भूतों से नहीं लगता. सांप असली में डस सकता है. So I think तब डर लगा था, भूत से नहीं बट सांपों से लगा था कि अरे यहाँ सांप हो सकते हैं, बट थैंकफुली ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. एंड आज मैं आपके सामने बैठ के इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ, तो मैं जिंदा हूँ, ये मेरा भूत नहीं है. तो that was one scary bit, but besides that very fun set यार. बहुत ही बकवास करने वाले लोग हैं हम सारे, एक दूसरे की खिंचाई करते रहते हैं. we crack jokes at each other, laugh at each other. I think वो एक वाइब पूरे सेट पे थी पूरे टाइम जब हम शूट कर रहे थे.
Okay. And Sonakshi, about you, what do you think? Which was either the scary or the funny one?
I think because we were shooting a film like this, the theme of the film, सारी जो जगहों पर हम शूट कर रहे थे वो ज्यादा डरावनी बना दी जाती थी. So there was this one haveli which was quite eerie, very spooky.
Quite scary.
Then there was this खेत, like Sakim mentioned, and वहां पर रात को शूट करना. दिन में तो कहीं भी चले जाते हैं, बट रात को वहां पर होना.
Correct.
Luckily the cast and crew is together, लोग आजू बाजू होते हैं तो इतना हसल बसल में पता नहीं चलता. But I would not want to be stuck there alone at night. Not a chance.
Okay, India just won the World Cup.
It's the
Yes.
best feeling. Like I've spent the last 1 week only watching videos of us winning and crying like a baby. Euphoric. Seeing the team come back last evening, this whole march that they had, seeing videos of Kohli and Rohit lifting it together, Rahul Dravid having tears in his eyes. The cricket fan in me is just very happy. Very, very
And
happy.
I'm getting goosebumps right now. Like, I mean, it's unreal. Sonakshi, your thoughts?
I'm actually not much of a cricket watcher, but when the entire nation comes together to celebrate a victory like this, it's just so overwhelming. As an Indian, you feel so proud. And I did see the visuals, I did see the videos, the photos that came out of the Marine Drive, the whole team coming back, their reception, and it was great. It was such a proud
Something
feeling.
else.
So yeah. So kudos to Team India. You've made us all so super super proud.
I was just thinking that in the same lifetime, India's won the World Cup 4 times. I've seen it thrice happen live. And once I've been part of a film that's actually made it happen. So for me, I'm just thinking,
Yeah.
life complete हो गई है boss. बस अब कुछ भी करा लो, अब काकूदा भी hit करा दो, बस और कुछ नहीं.
Definitely. So on the count of 3, could we all go and say India, India?
Okay, go for it, man.
India.
India. India.